Hello children, welcome for today's Crack NEET biology classes. So today we are going to learn important MCQs from the chapter Human Reproduction. So mainly we are going to study regarding male reproductive system. So here for NCERT guidance, if you need NCERT explanation, you can go to the description box. There it has been attached for you children. You can go through that. Then later you can try to solve the answers. So let us start the lesson with a motivational thought. Do the difficult things while they are easy, and do the great things while they are small. A journey of 1,000 miles begin with a single step. Now let us go inside the MCQs. Here sequence of sentences it has been given, but it is not arranged properly. You have to select the correct sequence for transport of sperm cells in male reproductive system. You see all the sequences. First sequence A, second B, third C, fourth D. So you have to find out what is the correct sequence. Hope you must have read, children. Can we go to the answer? Are you able to find out the answer? Now the answer is C. C is the correct sequence for transport of sperm cells in male reproductive system. Now the next question. Which of the following depicts the correct pathway of transport of sperms? Here A, B, then C, D. Among the four, you have to find out the correct pathway of transport of sperms. The correct answer is A. Next question. The shared terminal duct of the reproductive and urinary system in the human male is A. Urethra, B. Urethra, C. Vas deferens, D. Vasa efferentia. The correct answer is A. Urethra. Urethra is the urinary duct which originates from the neck of urinary bladder, and it is a common pathway for passage of urine and semen. So just when I am reading the question, you follow me children. Try to find out the correct answer. So if you don't know the correct answer will be given for you along with explanation. Now the next question. The Leydig cells as found in the human body are the secretory source of A. Progesterone, B. Intestinal mucus, C. Glucagon, D. Androgens. The correct answer is D. Androgens. The interstitial cells or Leydig cells are the cells. So they are found between seminiferous tubules. They are interspaced between the seminiferous tubules of the testis. They secrete androgens, example testosterone, in response to the stimulation of luteinizing hormone from the anterior pituitary gland. Now the next question. If for some reason the vasa efferentia in the human reproductive system get blocked, the gametes will not be transported from A. testis to epididymis, B. epididymis to vas deferens, C. ovary to uterus, D. vagina to uterus. The correct answer is A. The male sex accessory ducts include retitestis, vasa efferentia, epididymis and vas deferens. The seminiferous tubules of the testis open into the vasa efferentia through retitestis. The vasa efferentia leave the testis and open into the epididymis located along the posterior surface of each testis. If vasa efferentia get blocked, the gametes will not be transported from testis to epididymis. So A is the correct answer. Now, sixth question. So, the testes in human beings are situated outside the abdominal cavity inside a pouch called scrotum. The purpose served is for A. Maintaining the scrotal temperature lower than the internal body temperature. B. Escaping any possible compression by the visceral organs. C. Providing more space for the growth of epididymis. D. Providing secondary sexual feature for exhibiting the male sex. The correct answer is A. So actually the scrotum, inside the scrotum, the testes are situated outside the abdominal cavity. It helps in maintaining the low temperature of the testis 2 to 2.5 degree lower than the normal body temperature. It is necessary for sperm formation, that is spermatogenesis. Now the next question. Sertoli cells are found in A. Ovaries and secrete progesterone. B. Adrenal cortex and secrete adrenaline. C. Seminiferous tubules and provide nutrition to germ cells. D. Pancreas and secrete cholecystokinin. The correct answer is C. Sertoli cells are found in the walls of seminiferous tubules of the testis. They anchor and probably nourish the developing germ cells, especially spermatids, which become partially embedded within them. Now the eighth question. Vasa efferentia are the ductules leading from A. Testicular lobules to retitestis. B. Retitestis to vas deferens. C. Vas deferens to epididymis. D. Epididymis to urethra. The correct answer is B. Retitestis to vas deferens. The seminiferous tubules are closed at one end, but on the other side they join to form a network, the retitestis, from where the fine ciliated ductules, the vasa efferentia, arise. Cilia help in conducting the sperms. The retitestis is a network of tubules conducting sperms from the seminiferous tubules to the testis to the vasa efferentia. Now the next question. The seminal plasma in human males is rich in A. Fructose and calcium. B. Glucose and calcium. C. DNA and testosterone. D. Ribosome and potassium. The correct answer is A. Now next one. Secretions from which one of the following are rich in fructose, calcium and some enzymes? A. Male accessory glands. B. Liver. C. Pancreas. D. Salivary glands. The correct answer is A. Male accessory glands. The male accessory glands include a set of seminal vesicles, prostrate and paired bulbourethral glands. The secretions of these glands constitute the seminal plasma, which is rich in fructose, calcium and certain enzymes. Now the next question. Seminal plasma in humans is rich in A. Fructose and calcium but has no enzymes. B. Glucose and certain enzymes but has no calcium. C. Fructose and certain enzymes but poor in calcium. D. Fructose and calcium and certain enzymes. The correct answer is D. Now next question. So here you have to observe the diagram, children, the diagrammatic figure, and this is the sketch. It shows the portion of a male reproductive system. You have to select the correct set of names of the parts labeled as A, B, C and D. Okay, so now you have to find the correct labeling given below. In the options you have to choose. Now let us find the correct answer. Hope you must have found out. So let us go to the next answer for the question. So here for the 12th question, answer is A. A is the correct answer. Now let us go to the next question. So male hormone is produced in the testis by cells of A. Serotoli, B. epithelial, C. spermatocytes, D. Leydig. The correct answer is D. Leydig. Now the next one. Location and secretion of Leydig cells are A. Liver, cholesterol, ovary-estrogen, testis, testosterone, pancreas, glucagon. Location and secretion, it has to be matched correctly and you tell the correct answer. Which option is correct? The correct option is C. Testis, testosterone is the correct option. Now let us go to the next one. Hysterectomy is surgical removal of A. Vas deferens, B. Mammary glands, C. Uterus, D. Prostate gland. The correct answer is C. Uterus. Now let us go to the next one. So here they have given a diagrammatic sectional view of female reproductive system. Here the labeling 1 to 6 you have to see and you find out the correct labeling and accordingly you can match and find which option is correct. The correct option, no? Hope you must have seen the correct option. Now let us find the correct option. Option B is the correct one. The edges of the infundibulum possesses finger-like projections called fimbriae. It helps in the collection of ovum after ovulation. The uterus is single and is also called womb, opens into vagina. The vagina through a narrow cervix. Okay, so 3 is infundibulum, 4 is fimbriae and 5 is cervix. That is the correct answer, B. Now next one. The part of fallopian tube closest to the ovary is A. isthmus, B. infundibulum, C. cervix, D. ampulla. The correct answer is B. infundibulum. So here in the case of ovary, no, it has the structure called infundibulum, that is the funnel shaped structure. So this structure, no, the edges of the infundibulum, it possesses small projections, finger-like projections, that is called as fimbriae. It helps the collection of ovum after ovulation. Now the next one. Bartholin glands are situated A. on the sides of head of some amphibians, B. at the reduced tail end of birds, C. on either side of vagina in humans, D. on either side of vas deferens in humans. The correct option is C. C is the correct answer for this question. Hope children you must have understood whatever we learned today. For further NCERT explanation, you can go to the description box. It has been given for you. So how many questions you have answered correctly? You give your comments in the comment section. Okay, to get regular updates, kindly subscribe the channel children. If you find the video is useful, give your likes and comments in the comment box. So you can share the video lesson with your friends so that they also will be benefited. Thank you. We'll meet in the next class.